Good morning. Today, I have something important to discuss about, regarding your future. So, I wanna ask you all one simple question. What do you want to become in future? So, Charles, as you are the brightest student, I want to ask you first. Sir, I would like to do business, like my father. So, what type of business you would like to do? I would like to do partnership with my friends. That's good. So, Kim, what do you want to do in future?
Same, what just Charles said.
As expected from you. So Joe, same question to you.
Sir, partnership.
Any particular reason?
No, I want help my friend Charles. In his business.
Good. So, okay. Then, class is over. We will discuss about it tomorrow. How fascinating it would be to run a partnership firm with my friends. Where is Kim?
I don't know.
Let me make a call to him.
Hello.
Where are you?
At home, sleeping.
Why are you sleeping? Are you not aware you have a firm to run?
I am doing my work as a partner, sleeping.
Being a sleeping partner doesn't mean to sleep.
So, what does it mean?
It means you will not engage in any management activities, like decision making, but you have to contribute in capital and you will have share in profit and loss of the firm.
Oh, okay.
So, from next time be aware.
So, I need to come there.
No need, but be there tomorrow.
So, could you tell me what I have to do?
You are the person whose presence should not be known to outsiders, but you have to take part in management activities. You have to contribute in capital, and you will get share in profit and loss of the firm.
Okay, so can I go now?
Where?
To hide from outside world.
Go, hide. What a busy day. I am surrounded by idiots. What a horrible dream. Now I think I should shift to sole proprietor and manage everything alone.